In this video, I take care of one of my biggest issues with my Gladiator, the horrible factory halogen lights. It is a top priority for me since I live in an area with a lot of deer and dark roads. Oh no! I'm replacing the factory halogen bulbs with LED bulbs for the headlights and turn signals from Lasfit. I got something really special planned for this video, so make sure to watch all the way to the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. I was going to replace the entire headlight unit, but that can easily be $500. I was looking for a solution. I thought, well, why not just replace the bulb instead of the whole unit? And I had good experience with Lasfit when I installed their auxiliary switchback into the Gladiator. So I figured, why not give it a try? It's a fraction of the price and a super easy install. Start by removing the front grille. There are 6 clips that need to be removed on the top of the grille. Use a flathead screwdriver or pry tool to remove the clips. There are clips on the side and bottom securing the grille to the vehicle. Pull the grille away from the vehicle to release the remaining clips. For me, the top of the winch is in the way, so I have to do a little extra prying to release it. With the grille removed, you can now access the 3 bolts securing the headlights to the vehicle. Use a 10mm socket to remove all 3 bolts. Unclip the wiring harness from the headlight. Twist off the back cover and remove the halogen bulb. I'm replacing it with a Lasfit LED bulb. Lasfit offers several LED bulbs. This one is the top of the line, the LS Plus series, 72 watt, 8000 lumen, H13 bulb with dual fans. It's plug and play, so you don't have to worry about flicker and don't need a taser to reprogram the LED lights. Keep on watching because there's something you're not going to want to miss. If this video has been helpful, like and subscribe so you don't miss my next one. I also decided to upgrade the turn signals to Lasfit Switchback LEDs. This specific light is best for the Sport S or the Rubicon. I have a Sport. I actually have separate lights. I believe the Sport S and Rubicon have one light that does the turn signal and the DRLs. The Switchbacks do the yellow turn signal and white DRL, and it's an even easier install than the headlights. You remove this clip, pull back the cover, out with the old, in with the new. Before putting everything back together, make sure to test it out. If it doesn't work, don't worry, all you need to do is flip it around and reinstall. I've had the LEDs installed in the Gladiator for about a week now, and I've been extremely happy with them. I haven't had any issues. I would definitely recommend them to someone who's looking to replace their halogen bulbs with some LEDs. I mentioned earlier in the video that I have something special planned for you guys, my viewers, and now it's time to talk about that. I was able to work out a deal with Lasfit to do a giveaway. I have Lasfit's top of the line LS Plus series 72 watt 8000 lumen LED bulbs, the same ones I just installed in the Gladiator, and I'm going to be able to give that away to somebody as a value of $129.99. Later, I do a comparison between the halogen bulbs and the LS Plus series bulbs, and the difference is night and day. I was thinking, giving away these LEDs is nice, but is there something more that I could do for my viewers? I decided to throw in a set of the Switchback LED turn signals I just installed also. The giveaway is going to be open for 3 weeks starting at the posting of this video. All the details will be in the description. Good luck, everybody. Now to adjust the headlights. This is a very important step for safety, especially if you lifted your Jeep or increased the tire size. To adjust the height of the headlights, you'll need a wall, flat ground, and enough space to be 25 feet away from the wall. You want the light to be 36 inches high when you're 25 feet away. Put a piece of tape 36 inches high, turn on the headlights, and see where the line cuts off. Use a 6mm Allen wrench to adjust the light. Turn it to the right to lower the light. cover the other light and adjust them one at a time. I lowered the driver's side a little lower than 36 inches to reduce the chance of blinding oncoming drivers. Now let's do a road comparison. This is a side-by-side comparison, and I was shocked by the difference. This is the same section of road and the same settings on my GoPro. The Lasfit LS Plus series bulbs are just so much better. To see more Lasfit products, click the end screen now.